What's up, guys? I wanted to do a walking test with the 15 to 45 from Fuji because of all the lenses I've tried out so far, I think this might be the most stable for just walking. I could be wrong, but everything else I've tried has been completely unusable. So from looking at the screen, it looks, I mean, I see some micro jitters definitely, but it looks kind of stable. Yeah. Maybe if I was even closer to my body, it might even be more stable. Every time I take a step, I think walking normal for me is better than doing some ninja walk, because when I get low and try to walk, it seems to have more jitters. But yeah, I mean, if you get close enough to this thing, you can get a blurry background. But yeah, for a vlogging lens, the autofocus is great. I would definitely suggest this because it's the cheapest autofocus lens from Fuji. Where's my microphone? Do I even have a microphone on? Have you guys seen it? Oh, there it is. I should have just looked at the screen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.